Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Walmart? This is ticker WMT. Now, Walmart did announce their earnings. So it looks like a green earnings box here, though they did miss on some revenue. But my understanding is that Walmart announced today that they're going to be raising prices on consumers because of tariffs. Now, you'd think that the stock would sell off and close near the lows on news like that, but it actually didn't. It did pull back, but held above the 50-day moving average, ultimately closing near the highs and doing it on heavier than average volume. Now, I see a little bit of a daily flag pattern here where we have some connected lower highs. And what I want to see from Walmart is a move above some local resistance in and around 97.30 and look for a move above 97.30 coming on volume. Now, that could offer a nice little entry on Walmart with a stop loss right under today's intraday low. Now, that's a bit of a wide stop. That's a couple of dollars, so you'll want to manage your size. But ideally, it pushes away enough that you can then move a stop up to break even as quickly as possible. So that's just one of many setups we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. Definitely check out our premium service. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.